Nature's Way Zinc Chelate has shown promise in reducing tonsillitis symptoms, as evidenced by medical research studies. A study on a supplement containing zinc, honey, and propolis revealed improvements in throat pain, redness, and swallowing in children with acute tonsillopharyngitis. While zinc was part of a combination treatment, the results suggest its potential effectiveness in alleviating tonsillitis symptoms. This supplement could be a beneficial addition to standard care for managing tonsillitis, although further research is needed to isolate zinc's specific impact.